Take a ride in the 2026 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.